here today to talk to you a little bit about vaccinations. Have you ever heard someone you know say they refuse to vaccinate their children? I know I do. Have you ever heard that if you vaccinate your children, they have a high risk of developing autism? Are you worried on whether you should vaccinate your children or if you should refuse them as well? In the state of Oregon, over 6% of children aren't getting vaccinations. New York has about 1% of children who don't receive vaccines. Autism is a neurological and developmental disorder. It is measured on a spectrum. Symptoms are within language, social behaviors, and repetitive restrictive behaviors. Autism is more genetic than environmental. The main vaccination that is thought to cause autism is MMR. MMR is a vaccination for measles, mumps, and rubella. This vaccine was approved by the FDA in 1971 for people 12 months and older. Thimerosal is a common component within vaccines. Thimerosal has methylmercury in it, which can be toxic, which causes a concern for parents on whether they should be giving it to their children or not. Thimerosal has been safely used in vaccines since the 1930s. Some vaccines that almost everyone gets that have thimerosal within it are chickenpox, hepatitis A and B, and the flu shot. Many people get these vaccinations because they are beneficial and efficient. They will see no side effects or get the virus. According to a study done in the Institute of Medicine, there's no evidence that proves that there's connection between thimerosal and the development of autism. The debate over the safety of vaccinations started in 1998 with the Wakefield study. The study used a small group that was selection biased and had ethical concerns. The results showed a correlation between vaccination and autism. The study results spread and started having people second guess whether vaccinations are beneficial or actually harmful. Media kept this thought around. This study was redone in 2002, called the Denmark study. The study used a large random sample of children. There was a total of about 540,000 children, and out of those, 316 had autism. About 440,000 children were vaccinated, and 263 of them developed autism, and about 96,000 were not vaccinated, and about 53 of them developed autism. When you break it down, per 10,000, they each had about 5 to 6 children that developed autism, which means that there's no correlation between getting the vaccination and developing autism. There are reasons why children should be vaccinated. Everyone wants their child to be healthy. They can have the child eat healthy and exercise, but just as important as those is to get vaccines to prevent illnesses. Another reason is that the disease the vaccinations are trying to prevent can be expensive to treat if they're treatable at all. A rumor that everyone has heard is that you can get the disease you're trying to treat by the vaccine that you get. This is proven impossible. The vaccine is a kill or weaken virus. This is done to make sure the vaccine is safe and will benefit the individual. The vaccines are created to help and save lives. Every child should be vaccinated because it is beneficial and can impact their lives. This can give them a healthy life they deserve. They are children and need a childhood full of fun and illness-free, which means taking every precaution to prevent illness. Vaccinations are made to do this.